Let's begin with a news break coming in right now at the PMO, the Prime Minister's office. There are back-to-back security meetings that are taking place. The Prime Minister himself is there. There's a meeting with the Home Secretary at the PMO. This comes after the Prime Minister met with the Defence Secretary RK Singh and then met with the NSA Ajit Doval as well. Currently, Prime Minister Modi is meeting with the Home Secretary at the PMO. So non-stop meetings that have happened today alone in the last many hours. The Prime Minister has been holding a slew of one-on-one meetings. Right now, he's at the PMO where he's meeting with the Home Secretary. And I'd like to bring in Piyush Mishra for more details on this. Piyush, all of this only adding to the speculation of what the government is planning to do. What kind of action could they take next against Pakistan? 3 one-on-one meetings, each extremely crucial with regards to the government's response to Pakistan.
Well, certainly, Akshita, as we are speaking, series of meetings are taking place at Prime Minister office. Right behind me is the Prime Minister office where these meetings are underway. You can see as to how the movements are taking place. Security officials are also taking round of the Raisina Hills where this meeting is right now going on. PM Narendra Modi had reached here around 45 minutes back, and the moment he reached, we saw NSA Ajit Doval reaching here, and a couple of minutes back, NSA Ajit Doval has left from Prime Minister office, and now a couple of minutes back, Home Secretary, in fact, Home Secretary has also reached. So series of meetings are taking place at Prime Minister office, being chaired by PM Narendra Modi. Remember that in the last few days, PM Narendra Modi has chaired multiple meetings. He had cut short his Saudi Arabia visit, and after that, when he landed in Delhi, he was briefed by NSA Ajit Doval, Foreign Minister S. Shankar, Vikram Misri, Foreign Secretary, was also present, and after that, he chaired CCS, and multiple meetings have been chaired by PM Narendra Modi in the last 13 days. And today itself, he met with the Defence Secretary, and now, as we are speaking, he is meeting with Home Secretary. And
just some more information to add to what Piyush is telling you. And Piyush, just stay with me. Sources are telling us that in this series of meetings that are lined up at the PMO, there is a discussion on the current situation on the ground to also gauge the progress made so far in hunting down the terrorists involved in the Pahalgam terror attack. But also importantly, the Prime Minister is holding these meetings to decide what should be the next course of action against Pakistan. What's very clear here, Piyush, is, while everyone's been talking about retaliation, military action against Pakistan, you're seeing a multi-pronged approach by the government, saying we will attack and target Pakistan in every way we can, diplomatically, digitally. We're seeing action like the Indus Waters Treaty. So it looks like it's to figure out what's the next step, what's the next crackdown, that these meetings are being held.
Well, certainly, these officials are also briefing Prime Minister about the preparedness those have been done so far. Today, Defence Secretary also, according to reports, the Defence Secretary also, briefed Prime Minister about the preparations those have been done. NSA Ajit Doval has also briefed Prime Minister, and yesterday, Air Force Chief had also met with Prime Minister, where he has also reportedly briefed Prime Minister about the preparations those have been done. So, multi-pronged strategy is being adopted by India as far as retaliating back at Pakistan is concerned. Why? Because one thing is clear that, message is clear that yes, we will take actions against the Pak-sponsored terrorism. Prime Minister himself for at least 2 times has made it very clear that strongest possible actions will be taken. The terrorists will be hunted down, they will be tracked, and then they will be punished. In fact, their handlers will also be taken to the task. The kind of messages which Prime Minister is sending out certainly shows that this time country wants to settle terrorism once and for all, and that is why we are seeing how series of meetings are taking place. Prime Minister is being briefed about the preparedness of our armed forces. A couple of days back, Prime Minister also met with all tri-service chief, in which Defence Minister Rajnath Singh was also present, NSA was also there, and soon after that meet, a message was out that yes, everything is now left to the security forces. Time, mode and target will be decided by the forces. For that, we are now seeing as to how the preparations are going on, and on these preparations, these meetings are also being chaired by PM Narendra Modi.
Okay, Piyush, we're going to keep tracking the big takeaways of these huddles. Thanks for the moment for joining us. Back-to-back meetings, and we've been seeing this trend really for the last many days since the Pahalgam attack, that the Prime Minister has personally been finding out the details of what's happening on ground and also how to hit back at Pakistan.